Hare Krishna friends, I am Sandeep Malik. You can call me Sandy. I am here to make a very big announcement. Our YouTube channel, Sandeep with Sandy, has been transformed into a corporate startup, Sandeep with Sandy Consultancy Services Private Limited. Some of you might ask, why are we transforming? So let me share background of our YouTube channel to answer your question. Our YouTube channel started in April 2020 when COVID happened. I always used to think when I'll get old or when I'll get retired, I'll share knowledge on public platform, knowledge like spiritual knowledge, technical knowledge, motivational knowledge. However, when COVID happened, I realized life is temporary. I also realized why I'm waiting to get old or to get retired to share knowledge on public platform. That's why I started sharing my knowledge on public platform when COVID started in April 2020. This is how our YouTube channel started. I published my first video on Facebook that went viral. Then on demand, I started YouTube channel. I published my content on YouTube channel and we started growing. However, we established our YouTube channel as a technical channel. After a few months, when we transformed our technical channel into a motivational channel, we started growing like anything. For example, motivation story Khali Lifafa has more than 2.7 million views. Like this, we have multiple videos which were viral. Not only this, now we have more than 1 lakh followers. Moreover, we are awarded Silver Creator Award, Silver Play Button by YouTube. Now, the time has come to transform our YouTube channel into a corporate startup. So whatever videos we have delivered on our YouTube channel, we are catering same kind of services. For example, if our channel is talking about anxiety and depression, we are here to serve you to overcome anxiety and depression problems. If our channel talks about relationship problems, we are again here to serve you with your relationship problems. If a channel talks about career problems, we're here to serve you to find out your passion. We're here to find out how you can pursue your career. If our channel talks about finding a job, again we're here to serve you with HR consultancy. If our channel talks about learning and development, if our channel talks about agile training, Python training, communication training, we are again here to serve you with corporate training related to agile, Python, effective communication, business communication. If our channel talks about communication problems, speech problems, voice and accent problems, we are again here to serve with speech therapies, with voice and accent trainings. Not only this, if our channel talks about marriage problems, we are moving into marriage bureau as well. So now let me also share Sandeep with Sandy vision and mission. We all know life has to end, life is temporary. So we believe if we have to leave this world, we should try to make this world joyful, beautiful. Our company's punchline is making life joyful. And if we deliver these services, if we provide these solutions which are based on our YouTube channel only, I'm sure we'll be able to change lives. I'm sure we'll be able to make our world beautiful and joyful. With this, I'm very much positive. Once again, you will continue your love and support. We'll work together to achieve our goal and mission. Not only this, Our plans are to set up NGO to help poor and weak community. Again, the motivation is same, that life is temporary, and before our life ends, we should try to make this world beautiful and joyful. With this, I'm positive that we'll work together to achieve our goal and mission. As I always say, आप खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, टेक केयर, हरे कृष्णा.